When a contractor reaches out to us with the product that they have in mind, there's a few gaps often in how to get to construction. In a design bid build sense, the designer, they come up with an idea, they put it on plan, and they're not really keeping the full picture in mind as they're developing those plan sets. They don't know when the project might get built, and so what they might have proposed as a material at the time of design may have been an economical solution. But if the project gets shelved for 5 years and all of a sudden the market for steel has completely changed, maybe there's an opportunity for that contractor to look at the project and say, you know what, we can VE this, we can value it to make it more cost beneficial to the client. What we do at Geosyntec is we really work hand in hand with our contractors to figure out what their site constraints are, what their pain points are as far as the project is concerned. I think one thing that I pride myself and my group on is keeping it simple, right? We can find simple solutions that are easy to construct. Construction-focused design is really something that we enjoy doing, right? We have a lot of fun with it because we get to work with the contractors, and it's not just our opinion. We work together and find the right solution. Hey, what if we tried this? Or, I have this idea, contractor has maybe a completely different idea, and we're able to mesh those ideas to really find what works from a construction standpoint. Also, while we're looking at the structural stability of things, the structural integrity of those elements and those temporary states, we're able to help them succeed in their goals. There may have been a very poor characterization of that site, and the contractor gets out there, they start working, and what they were expecting is completely different than what the reality is. That's when they can call us, and we can go through in rapid response, figure out what happened, figure out why it happened, figure out what's going wrong. And I've got a Rolodex of individuals who I can call on in a moment's notice that might have that little nuanced understanding of that specific problem that they have. And that's what's really exciting about Geosyntec is we really have some really smart people that really understand, unique aspects of things. The structural engineering part of it, that's the easy part sometimes. It's coming up with the whys and the how something got to the point that requires creative thinking and being flexible.